Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
We are, for video number 3, we are reviewing
The Vorax?
the Sparrow's Vorax. And because we're reviewing this, I have to mention that in this same order, we purchased the heavy bars, which are like top of the keyway and bottom of the keyway tension bars. Okay. These are like thick, probably 0.5.
Sticky wicky.
0.05, 50 thousandths.
Yep.
That came out of the middle of the case. And this case is pretty slick. Actually, let me put it back in and I'll show you the case.
And then we unlocked it. With
yeah, we used that. We should have done
locks.
Unboxing to show all this stuff. So it came in this cool case.
Yep.
I organized it with the hooks on this side and the rakes on the other. And then more hooks, couple rakes, and that specialty thing that it came with. Came with 6 tension bars and 4 comb picks that also included a tension. What are you doing?
I myself with the key. I went, oh yeah.
He smacked himself. Here are the comb picks. I keep thinking the camera's over on that side.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay,
so that's the first one in the case. All right, Neil. What's this one?
This is
the hook.
Is the 15,000?
No, these are 25,000.
25,000?
These are all 25,000s except the special ones.
There you go. That's the 25,000s.
Okay.
And then these are the 25,000s.
Then we got a half diamond.
This is not a half diamond. That's a hockey
that's
pick.
The hockey pick.
Hockey pick.
And another kind of something in a half diamond.
That's like a different kind of, that's the old version of the hockey pick.
We're newbies.
Yep.
And we're going to do our homework and study and find the names of these, and we're going to learn them. There's a triple peak.
Triple peaky weeky. This is actually the first one that I unlocked. This one.
And this is like a, kind of like a triple peak, but like a worm.
Double peak?
More like a worm, softer. Peak? Where's the other one? This one's got some sharp peaks. This one does not. And what's this one called, Neil?
That is City.
City rake. And then we got a snake. And then we've got these 3, which I believe is the SS Dev picks.
Single picking?
For single pick picking? No, I don't know. Single point picking. I think that's what SPP stands for. More of these. These are
the hooks.
These are 15,000ths.
15,000s or like the sharper ones?
Yeah. You know what? We didn't do our homework. We should have like printed out a page. This is like a very sad review. Here's your half diamond. If
you guys are pros, then we're really sorry. For newbies.
If you're watching our show, we are honored to have you here. Because we're just learning this stuff. They got like a double peak.
Show them this one. And we got a fire breath. I'm just going to call this one a fire breath. And on...
It's called the Sandman, Holmes.
Sandman.
It's got a dragon in there.
Ordinary dragon.
Laser etched. Ooh, light dragon. And on the bottom of it has like a samurai dude who's going to fight the dragon. So cool. And then they got the pick thing. And then I tried to do some research to find out what the little nubbin was for. And so far, someone said, oh, it's a secret. But I don't know. We think it's cool.
We think it's the booty cheek.
It's the booty cheek. That's not cool. And then that's it for the Vorax. Would you do me a favor, mister, and put these all inside there?
Okay.
And they're covered with like a plasti dip situation. And in our previous video, we bought a tuxedo kit, and it had no handles on it. So we customized and we fabricated our own. Baboosh!
That was in our last video too.
Yep, that was in the last video, and these still need to be finished because we're making videos back to back tonight.
Yep.
All right. Oh, there's another tension bar you missed, mister. Here. While you're doing that, we also bought some other stuff from Sparrow's because Sparrow's does their marketing very well, I have to say. We got one of these see-through practice locks. And this is a 5-pin, and they got the plain pins in there. And I was able to pick it last night.
It's very kind of
because
easy.
I was looking to see what I was doing.
It's kind of easy.
Have you done it yet?
Yeah, I finished it.
Here, pop that one then.
Okay.
We'll see.
What kind of tension?
And because of that, I got the reload kit. It comes in a tin, and in the kit, it comes with a nylon or a resin follower plug thing. And I had to use that to take that lock apart. And I had to watch a video to learn how to do that. God bless YouTube. Various and a whole bunch of pins. This one has serrated pins, and the pins that look like chess pieces in there. Those are in there.
25,000.
Yep. These go to the back of the lock and keep the screw thing secured. I forget what those are called. More springs. There's some spool pins in there. And more springs, I think a different strength type of thing. And then I guess these are like challenge keys. So it's really interesting. I didn't know that I would be interested in learning how to rekey a lock, but that is pretty cool to learn. Okay, blue and some green key. These are all Schlage SC1 keys. And I went ahead and sprung for the tweezers so you can grab the pins. I have a ton of tweezers, but these are special.
So guys, as you can see, it's locked, right? It's locked.
For 7 minutes, dude.
Oh, well, turn off the video.
What do we say?
Have a good night, evening, or morning.
Thank you for watching. We are honored to have you here. And
We'll see you in the next video.
if you have any comments, we would gladly hear them and assimilate them because we're the newbies and we're just learning. We bought more stuff, which we're going to share in the next video.
Peace out.
Peace. I scared myself.